Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam error code 130 quickly and effectively so you can access the Steam store and community pages without any loading issues. This error usually occurs when Steam cannot load web pages due to network restrictions or browser-related problems. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Restarting your router can help fix temporary issues. Next, disable any VPN or proxy service because Steam web features may not work properly on restricted networks. After that, clear Steam web browser cache. Open Steam Settings, go to Web Browser, and click Clear Cache and Cookies, then restart Steam. You should also try running Steam as administrator to avoid permission-related issues. Another useful step is to temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus, as they can sometimes block Steam content. Finally, make sure your Steam client is updated to the latest version available. After following these steps, error code 130 should be resolved and Steam should load pages normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.